And a little follow-up video here. Sure enough, just after the others have had their breakfast, Junus has now reappeared and he's wanting his breakfast, which is already, it's a case of, here's some I prepared for you earlier. So we'll just get this for Junus. Here we are. Voila, breakfast is served. So there we go. And of course that generates a little bit of interest. It's like, how come he's getting food? It's like, well, you lot have all had your breakfast. So I thought I'd just give a little update. So all 6 cats have now been fed.